Okay, guys, so any of you that are watching this is just a test that I'm running. I had been working on an idea to come up with a, a weekly show or whatever, doing the patterns that we create, because I always make our patterns from scratch, and then convert them in Inkscape to make printable patterns that we use on our website. We use for our own patterns to create stuff on the scroll saw. So I thought every maybe Monday I would do a video and just hang out with you guys and create something. Start with a basic idea and then move forward from there and create a pattern for whatever, and then just go through the process and hopefully make that object or item that week. But tonight I'm just testing out some things just to see if they work. So if you do tune in, I wanted to know how it looks first of all, how clear it is. I know I couldn't get the frame right in OBS to go wide, like a 1280 by 720, or the 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So I had to cut that down, but I did get it to where it does capture Inkscape in 16 by 9 and Paint.net, and then our display too, which is just going to show OBS. But so until I figure out how to get this to 16 by 9 without scaling it and cropping it, which would look kind of goofy, we'll just have to run this way and hopefully adjust the camera as well. But I'm wondering how the lighting works and if the pencil marks and stuff show up all right. From my end it looks like it does, but I'm not sure. So I guess for tonight, just because I'm on here and I'm testing this out, I'm going to come back and look at this. I want to maybe just draw something, basic or whatever. Let's see. I know we're going to be working on making an art piece for our bathroom, because I just recently remodeled our bathroom, put down new floor. We did wainscoting around the bottom, painted the walls. I moved our sink and vanity over, so I have a big bare space on the wall now. And I had seen something on, I want to say Pinterest, that was almost like a box where the front of it's scroll sawed, and then the back has like a plywood layer or a thin like Luan layer or something in the back that's painted and shines through. It's like usually a bright color, but scrolling, it would be like a long rectangle, a horizontal rectangle, and then you would make 3 separate images in each one. That the front of the frame is the scroll saw, and then the back inside is colored, like I think the one I saw was like a bright green or something, which is not my cup of tea, but I think that's what I want to work on tomorrow when I do this. If anybody wants to get on and shoot some ideas my way or whatever. But we don't really have like a theme for our bathroom or anything. But I do know I want the front frame or the front pieces to be white, because everything in our bathroom is white. The trim, the baseboard, the wainscoting, everything's white, and then the walls are like a sandy beigeish brown color. So I want these to be white and then a bright color in the back, whatever that might be. So I'm thinking something ocean themed, perhaps, but I'm not real sure yet. Maybe like I don't know, like shells or fish or something along those lines. to where each one would depict something different, which is maybe not the easiest thing to do on the scroll saw, but it would be a neat pattern to come up with. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think. This will be a bathroom art piece, I guess. And it'll have three images. I want it to be scrolled on the front. And then it would have this outer frame. And then this middle one would, divide both equally thick. And then have these outside borders on each one. It's hard to do when I'm not holding it. Have each one feed in, to, say if one's a wave of some sort. I don't know. Just trying to get some outer details here. Where it would fade in like that. I think that's what I mean. Yeah. So that would... Does that make sense? It makes sense in my head, but doesn't make sense with what I'm doing. But nonetheless, faded into where the frame feeds into each image, and then it's one big collection of things like that. But anyway, this was just a test tonight to see how it looks. I'm going to go back and review it. Tomorrow night, probably around 9:30 is when I'll get on. And we can do this live stream. And hopefully some of you will get on and we can talk this out and figure out what we're going to do in each one of these panels. And go from there. So, as boring as I'm sure this was, tomorrow night should be a little bit more fun. So, I'll see you guys then.